your life. Hey guys, I just got the Nintendo Switch today and a bag of dirty potato chips, and I was planning to unbox them together. Let's do it! So here's the Nintendo Switch. Opening the box. What do we have inside? Oh, I think I opened it upside down. So if you flip it around, ooh, nice. So we got the screen here, the two Joy-Cons. And underneath the Joy-Con, what do we have here? It comes with a little instruction manual, HDMI cord, a power charger, something that goes on the Joy-Con over here, I guess. The joystick controller here. I guess that snaps on there. As well as, let's see what this is. The stand to hook it up to the TV. Awesome. And I know now that you guys have been waiting for it, let's open up a bag of chips. What do we have here? Salt and vinegar. Delicious. Is that good enough?